Hi there. In this lecture, we will learn about how to change the user principal name or UPN name. Let's say if you're navigate to all users by opening enter.microsoft.com web page, this would navigate to Microsoft Entra Admin Center, and from there identities, all users, and you could see here under all users the full user list. So if you remember, I did actually created an account which has the Azure subscription as well as the global admin rights, including the subscription permission. So this is the account which we created, but if you look at the account, this is actually coming as the long lengthy default Microsoft tenant name. If you remember, in the previous lecture we have already changed the primary domain to our custom domain by verifying the domain name from settings and domain name. This is where we have verified as a leninmylab.com, and we also set this as a primary. It means that now any of the user account, that is a new user accounts that we create, would automatically try to create with this verified domain name. But what if I have already created a user account, for example in this case AZ admin account, and I wanted to make this user account the domain name to use my verified domain name? In that case, you simply have to select the user account, click on edit properties, and choose here UPN name, after that the domain name as verified domain name, in this case leninmylab.com. Let's say if you're not able to see here, it means that the domains are not verified. You might have to verify. For example, let me save here and show you. If you look at here, I was not able to get it for this unverified domain. If you see here, this is an unverified domain. It means I need to end up by creating the MX record or text record in this public domain name. So in my case, I did not create it, so I cannot change, or I cannot have that option to change it. For example, if I edit in the drop down list, I do not see that unverified domain name. I hope this short lecture will help you out to understand how to change the domain name so that you could work. For example, in a same company, you might have a more than two domains or more than one domain, and you just have to change here the drop down the domain names. One can be leninmylab.com, other one can be xyz.com, which is verified domain, so that the user always think that the username is in that. Thank you for watching this. I'll catch you in the next lecture. Let's try to log in with the domain name that we have given. So I'm just trying to open any of the URL, in this case the portal.azure.com, and enter AZ admin. Now it has accepted. Now even this is working to log in. So earlier it was not allowed. Now it's time for us to log in with the domain name. This looks good. That being said, we'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this.